In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Base44 Backend with this quick zip export guide. To get started, head over to Base44, sign into your account, and open the app you want to export. Make sure you're inside the correct project before continuing, especially if you manage more than one app. This helps avoid downloading the wrong files and saves time later. Once the app is open, go to the top area of the editor and click Code. This opens the code editor where you can view your project files and the underlying code. If you're specifically looking to export the backend, this is the place you need to be, because the export is handled from the code view rather than the regular app design view. After the code editor loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen. There, you should find the option labeled Export Project as Zip. Click that button to begin the export. Base44 will then package the project for you and start downloading a zip file to your computer. Depending on the size of the project and your internet speed, this may take a few moments, so just give it a little time to finish. When the download is complete, locate the zip file on your computer and extract it. After unzipping the folder, review the exported contents carefully. The export can include your front-end code along with your back-end functions, so it's a good idea to check the folder structure and confirm that the files you expected are there. This is especially useful if you plan to move the project, back it up, or inspect the code outside of Base44. If you also need your database records, keep in mind that this is a separate export process. Go to the data section in Base44, choose the collection you want, then open More Actions and select Export. Base44 will export that collection as a CSV file. That means your code export and your database data export are handled separately, so be sure to download both if you need a complete copy of your project. One important note before you finish, Base44 currently indicates that zip or GitHub export requires the builder plan or higher. So if you don't see the export option, check your current plan first. That's an easy detail to miss, and it may explain why the button isn't available in your workspace. And that's it. You've now seen how to export your Base44 project as a zip, check the files, and separately export your database data when needed.